like 6 a.m. We are just trying to get around the tip of this peninsula, and as soon as we round this second point, we'll be able to sail the rest of the way. So another probably hour of motoring, and then we'll be able to sail for the rest of the 15-20 miles into Samana Bay. Samana Bay. Samana Bay. Really, really neat cliffs and rock formation and really cool views here rounding the point. And Sierra's taking a nap. I wish it was light out when we were going by the cliffs on the leeward side of the island, because it was still super, super calm, and we were right next to these towering cliffs, like right next to them. It's still in 200 feet of water, and it was like dark, but I could just see the shadows of the cliffs right next to us. It was amazing, really, really cool. Engines are off and the crew is awake. We're finally sailing again. Motored so much all along that north coast. Maybe like 10 to 15 miles into the marina we're going to in Samana Bay. We're pulling into Samana Bay, and it's beautiful. There's so many cool houses on the cliffs and stuff over here. On the other coast, the northeast corner was really rugged and really cool terrain, but now we're just getting into like where the houses are and everything. Bunch of little small fishing boats going out. Wow, look at this island. Wow, there's a beautiful beach over there too. Of course, you got some resorts here too.
We just had a very interesting docking experience at Bahia. God. Where are we?
Bahia.
Something Bahia.
Puerto Bahia. Puerto Bahia.
In Samana Bay.
It's like fancy marina. It's like fancy, even like Florida fancy.
And we made a pretty good entrance.
Oh jeez. We got up to fuel dock smooth, and then Jetty finally had her bowel movements and pooed and peed on the boat. Peeing was great.
And people were watching.
Yay, on the trampoline. Like just as we're pulling into the marina and tying up to the fuel dock. And then she pooed on the deck.
Twice.
We've been trying to get her to go. Like it's been so calm coming into this bay and where
walking her around the trampoline, walking her around the boat, like go potty, she knows the word. And she just waits till we get in front of a huge audience. And then
in a fancy marina.
Not only that, but Billy's fueling up. He's asking me for a rag. I'm getting him a rag, like trying to pick up Jenny's boob, and then she jumps off the boat.
Oh yeah, like, she jumped off the boat. Jeez Louise.
Luckily I heard her. And it was probably our fault, because yesterday we were so hot. We all jumped in and she jumped in and
kind of trained her.
But she came right back to the boat. Picked her up, put her back on, and then she went back to the front of the boat and pooed again. So this is pretty much what we're spending about
$70 a day for air conditioning, pretty fast Wi-Fi, electricity, a little bit of comfort. I'm going through all these memory cards that are completely full of awesome footage and trying to transfer them to hard drives so that I can use them and we can capture some more footage. What are you doing?
Compiling a list of every single thing we spent in the Bahamas.
We've been working on the computer all day long. I feel like I said it so much, but we really do. And for every day that you guys see a video, it's at least one full day of work to edit and post and just all our other work that we do that surrounds video, answering messages and comments, and Sierra's blog articles, stuff like that. So it is a lot of work, but that's how we can afford to stay at this place for at least a couple nights.
No, we can't really afford it.
Yeah, I know. We gotta get out of here. We worked a ton today. We got a lot done. It's time to get some exercise in. And yesterday, I didn't bring you. And Sierra worked out in the gym upstairs. But
I did Orange Theory workout.
But I went for a run around the property here, and I came across this amazing view, and I found some cows and like a pig. But the view was
So
unbelievable.
he says there's no
Are you gonna come with me today? Sierra doesn't want to come with me today to see it. It is unbelievable. I'm gonna bring you with me today. You're coming to see it. This run isn't easy. It was relatively short, but not easy. And the hardest part's right at the beginning. Go up the whole hill without stopping to get your Orange Theory splat points. Here we go. What incline is this? All right, we're almost all the way there. Like right around the corner. Ooh. Almost there. Ooh. Whoa.
Yeah, hard.
Isn't it cool? Come here.
Where are
You.
the cows you promised?
Oh, they're coming. So this is the whole Puerto Bahia Marina complex, and I think the hotel next to the marina is called the Bannister Hotel.
Oh, there's even more pools.
Yeah, those are like for the villas or whatever.
Oh, we can't go in them.
So I said that it's a little bit cheaper than, like, for being a fancy marina and like property and everything, it's definitely a little bit cheaper than what you would find for the same thing in Florida.
I would say way cheaper.
Yeah, I changed my mind. It is way cheaper than, like, $1.75 a foot. That's per day. That's the daily rate.
For a
and
catamaran.
For a catamaran. And if it's weekly, it goes down $1.35 a foot a day for a catamaran for a weekly rate. And then if it's a month, it's even less than that. But yeah, I changed my mind. It's way cheaper. Like a place like this in Florida
Would be like over $3 a foot.
yeah, like $3 a foot a day, easy.
There's 2 pools that are like overlooking like
The water.
Yeah, like infinity pools. And then there's 3 like very nice restaurants, a market.
Which the restaurants are even, they're like fancy restaurants, but even they are way cheaper. They're expensive, especially for here in the DR, but way cheaper than
in the States.
the States, like what you would get in the States.
The customs office is here, like they do it for you. What else?
And Navy and yeah. Oh,
And it's like a whole compound with like security guards and
so pretty.
Where are the cows you promised?
This way. Is that cow poo?
It's called the cow patty.
Touch it, see if it's warm. Ooh. Mango tree. Do we need any more mangoes? We've come to some barbed wire fence. I swear there were cows here yesterday.
I believe you because I saw their poo, but I wanted to see them.
No cows today, sorry guys. One had big horns too. Look how pretty this view is. The moon's coming out. Moon's getting fuller. That's where we just were before, by the tower. What kind of fruit's on this tree? They look prickly. Someone comment what kind of fruit this is. Oh, same one? Ooh. What kind of fruit is that? Oh, they're everywhere. Smells like grain. A horse?
Come over here.
Do you see it? It's you think it's wild? Is that a baby? Like, who are you guys? Hello. Does that horse have a horn? You guys are going up the hill? We gotta go back down the hill. See you later. Hasta mañana. Bye. All right. Good girl, you're such a good runner. Good girl. Good thing we did that at sunset, huh? I'm done.
First of all, we want to say thank you because you guys have helped raise over $25,000. That is a lot of money that's going to do a lot of good, and that was all donated to the Global Empowerment Mission for relief efforts in the Bahamas. We have also just launched a campaign to help the dogs because the dogs need help too. If you want, the links to both of those shirts are in the description, and if you want to help save our pot cakes, please do that. You may notice the model on that shirt looks a little familiar. If you can guess who it is, write it in the comments. If you are interested in other ways to help, there is a link on our website. The t-shirts are there, other ways to donate financially, a couple GoFundMe pages from people we personally know and personally have been affected. You guys probably met or saw Hopetown Coffee Shop in one of our videos, as well as our friends Bob and Bev, and both of those families are in the thick of all this destruction, so their GoFundMe pages are there as well. The link to that page on our website will be in the description as well. Thank you very much. We appreciate it. So does the Bahamas, because thank you.